The aftermath of a flooded basement can be really tough. Here's a step-by-step guide to transform your flooded basement back to a dry area. First, safety. Make sure the power is off before heading down there. Be sure to suit up with gloves and boots if needed. Next, grab your phone, snap some photos so you can assess what exactly you're dealing with. Look for any structural damage, water entry points, and damaged possessions. Document the damage thoroughly for insurance later. Now, it's time to get that water out. Use whatever you got. Wet vac, pool pump, mop, bucket, or call in backup with a rented sump pump if it's really intense flooding. The goal is to remove every last drop. With the water gone, bring some fans, dehumidifiers, and open some windows. Getting everything dry is the name of the game. Use moisture meters to be sure the floors and walls are good to go before moving forward. Toss anything that's not salvageable and make a list for insurance claims later. Grab some cleaning supplies and thoroughly disinfect every square inch of that basement. This prevents mold and mildew from growing. Lastly, call on the pros to permanently keep water out of your home. Regular maintenance and inspections are the key to keeping your basement dry. Get drainage systems and backups like sump pumps installed so basement flooding doesn't ruin your day again. And remember, your #1 priority should always be safety.